Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to move money out of Fidelity. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Whether you want to transfer funds to your bank account or move cash from your Fidelity account to another destination, Fidelity provides a straightforward process that can be completed online in just a few steps. To get started, log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the main account dashboard. Once you're signed in, look for the Transfers option near the top of the page and click on it to access the Money Movement section. On the Transfers page, you'll first need to choose the account you want to move money from. If you have multiple Fidelity accounts, select the one that contains the funds you wish to transfer. Depending on the account type, Fidelity may display important information regarding available balances or any transfer restrictions that may apply. Next, choose where you want the money to go. If you already have a bank account linked to your Fidelity profile, you can select it from the list of available accounts. If no bank account has been linked yet, you'll have the option to add and verify one before continuing. After selecting the destination account, enter the amount of money you would like to transfer. Fidelity may display your available cash balance as well as any transfer limits that apply to the transaction. Review the amount carefully before proceeding. Once you've entered the transfer details, click Continue to move to the review screen. Here, you'll see a summary of the transaction, including the account the money is coming from, the destination account, and the amount being transferred. Take a moment to verify that all the information is correct. If everything looks good, click the Submit button to complete the request. Fidelity will then provide a confirmation number, and you may also receive a confirmation email indicating that the transfer has been successfully initiated. After the request is processed, the funds will be sent to your selected destination according to Fidelity's transfer timelines and policies. You can monitor the status of the transfer from within your account if needed. And that's how to move money out of Fidelity. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.